What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw money from DollarTub into your bank account. So it's actually a simple process once you know the exact steps. So first, simply log into your DollarTub account and go to the wallet or earnings section. From there, you then have to check your balance to make sure you have enough to withdraw. So most platforms actually have a minimum withdrawal amount. Next, you then have to select withdraw and choose bank transfer as your withdrawal method. And then you then have to enter your bank account details carefully, including your account number, bank name, and any required codes like SWIFT or IBAN if it's an international transfer. So after that, you then have to confirm the withdrawal request, and DollarTub will usually process it within a few business days, depending on your bank of course. You'll then be able to get a notification once the money has been sent. So simply check your account to make sure it arrives. And that's it. So you then have successfully withdrawn your DollarTub earnings into your bank account. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.